Hello everyone, my name is Amit. I am a RPA developer. Today I am going to demonstrate how to integrate Git with UiPath Studio. When you open UiPath Studio, you can see on the left side there are few options, and when you click team, you can see three options: Git, TFS and SVN. So today we are going to use the Git init option. First, Git, I'll give a little introduction about Git. Git is a repository system. In layman language, you can say it's a database for all the projects where you can save all the projects on the Git server. Benefit of using Git is you can share the projects among different developers, and you can collaborate your projects, you can collaborate your work, and as multiple persons can work on a same file or same project at the same time. In this way, the things will not be overwritten, your code will be secure, code will be shared among different developers, and apart from that, you can control the versioning of your code. Like if you released a version 1 and later on you are working on the version 2, uh, and you want to uh, take some reference from the version 1, then you can easily do that with the versioning. So to integrate Git, first you have to make up your account. You have to create your account on GitHub.com. This is a site you can create your account free, a basic with a basic plan. Once your account will be created, your dashboard will be opened. This is my dashboard, and you can see there are multiple repositories over there. On the this plus sign, when you click on this plus sign, you can click on new repository. It will create a new repository. As I mentioned, repository is like a database for all your projects. You can create multiple repository for multiple projects, or you can create a single repository of multiple projects. Preferably people create single repository for single project. So you can name it like any name, any meaningful name, like invoices or RPA challenge 1. So for description, you can I'm just copy pasting it, but in for live projects you must give a meaningful description so that people can understand that what this repository meant for. And there are option public and private, so we are going with the public repository only. And once you'll click on create repository, a repository will be created. So you can see the URL amodi01, it's my username, and this is the repository which we have created, RPA challenge 1. Here you can see the URL of your repository. That URL will use it further in our demo. Now I'll go to UiPath Studio. In UiPath Studio, you can see there are multiple options for Git. Clone repository, it is used if you have to clone any existing repository into your system. Like if anybody is working on a project, or team is already working on that project, and you join that team, you after onboarding, you want to clone that repository on your local system so that you can start working on that. So I'll cover this clone, copy and disconnect later. First I'll cover the git init. Git init is when you are working on a project from scratch and you want to upload your project on the uh, git repository. So now you can see this is disabled. This is disabled because currently none of the project is opened. So for demonstration, I'll open a project, uh, open an existing project. This is RPA challenge. I'll open that project and I'll choose the JSON file. The project is opening. Meanwhile, we will copy this URL. There are two types of URL. One is SSH. SSH commands are used from the command line when you are working on command line or some other with other tools. But for UiPath, we'll use the HTTPS. I'll copy this URL. You can simply click on this and the URL will be copied to clipboard. Now you can see the project is opened. There are various folders over there and XAML files over there. Now, now I can go to home and this git part is enabled. Git init is enabled. I'll simply click on git init and it will asking me a folder that by default it has opened the same folder where the project is located. I'll just simply select on the folder and it is showing me all the files which I want to upload on the GitHub server. So as you know, this is a public repository. Anyone has access to that repository. So you must see which data, which files you want to upload. The recommendation is you should only upload the code related files. Like I'll not upload the XLX file because it may have some data, user specific data. But so you can deselect any of the files. You can select none or you can select all. And once you use make selections, you have to give a meaningful comment over there, commit message. This comment will help other developers to know w- what was the purpose to upload that specific code. I'll say demo for RPA challenge. That what was my project is. So we can say commit and push. Commit, and when I'll click commit and push, it will open this page or this dialog box where I have to give the URL of the repository which we have copied, that is github.com username RPA challenge, and then I have to give the name, any meaningful name. I'll give RPA challenge. Then I'll just click on add and I'll say save. Then I have to give the username for my GitHub account and password. Now the code is uploaded. If I'll go, I'll refresh this page on the GitHub site. You can see the complete folder structure has been uploaded. Uh, you can see the comments over there, and you can see the time when it was uploaded, and it was uploaded by this username. So you can add multiple users, you can give them rights, so multiple users can start work on that and can upload it. So that demo was about to integrate Git into your project, and in my next video I'll show how to edit the files, how to modify the files and then commit on the Git, and then we'll work on clone repository and copy to Git. Thank you everybody.